Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to find Swift code of Banco Oro. So without wasting any time, there's a shown right on the video, and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to find the Swift code of Banco Oro, the first thing that you can do is simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in Swift code of Banco Oro Philippines. Then once you hit search, the Swift code will be given right here, which is the BNO, RPH, MM and XXX as well. Check below the additional branch information and locations as well by simply tapping on the link right below it, and here you will find the Swift code and the bank name and bank address and the branch code as well. Then the next method that you can use is by simply logging into your video online app or simply on your web browser. So on your web browser, type in Banco Oro, log in online banking, then simply tap on the first link that is shown to you. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply scroll down and you will find the video online app, and when you swipe to the right you'll find the login page. Simply tap on that. Now here in the unique credentials, and once you're logged in, what you need to do is head over to the accounts, and under account details or international transfer or wire transfer, Swift or BIC code may be shown there, which varies by app version and region as well. You can also use contact video support option as well and ask the bank directly by calling the customer care or send a secure message to the app and tell them you need the correct Swift code for your specific transaction. Note that some banks use branch-specific Swift codes, but if you are unsure, using BNO, RPH, XXX, which is the main code and usually works for international transfers, just double check with the bank or recipient first. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.